Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to adapt your design for different platforms like turning an Instagram post into a story or a poster into a banner, Canva lets you resize your design in just a few clicks. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to resize a design in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva, log into your account, open the design you want to resize. Okay, so make sure your design is ready to adopt. Okay, so let's choose one of the already made projects. Okay, so for example, let's choose this one. Okay, so look at the toolbar. Okay, so wait until it opens. Okay, so click resize. Okay, so it should this open or this option is available in Canva Pro only. So you will see proceed formats such as Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnail, poster, presentation, or enter costume width and height. So choose the format that fits your platform. Okay, so you will see two options: resize, okay, or copy and resize. So resize changes the current design and copy and resize creates a new version. So the recommended one, use copy and resize to keep the original design. Okay, so this prevents losing your original layout. So after resizing, check text alignment, adjust image positions, resize elements if needed. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.